Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, 1st of October 2018. So on Friday, the pound moved lower, trading below Thursday's close, and then just moving all the way down to the 130 level. Again, bouncing off that 130 level, very important level this. And on the overnight, you can see the market hasn't done a great deal. It's midway between the 130.50 and the 130 there at the moment, and also below the DP, and also all three moving averages there as well. In the daily chart, we've taken the 130.55 out, and again you can see this red line here. This is the 130, a very important line. We've also got the 50-bar moving average sitting at this level as well, so crucial area for this market. So we'll get rid of the 50 and we'll see what the market does at the 130. Let's just draw this in and the low of Friday's price bar there, so you can see how important this level is. The market played around with this for a while on this side. You can see here as well, once it broke, how it moved lower, how it took a lot to actually get back through this level, but once it did, the market moved 2 cents higher, but has since come back to this crucial level for this market. News for today, what have we got? High impact news items, manufacturing PMI from the UK, and then just ISM manufacturing PMI from the US at 3 p.m. There's no point in looking at the other ones, the high impact, medium impact ones, nothing in there really. And I suppose really in the settings what we could do, because the news items don't really affect the markets now apart from the odd major one or two, we could remove this by coming down to the news section here and then just removing medium impact ones, and then click apply and save this, and that should remove them off this as well. After a restart, that's because this comes from a different source. This is imported through an XML file, so they will be removed the next time. But that's why, if you want to get rid of the medium impact ones, because it's not having, well, they're not having much effect on the market at the moment. Meanwhile, in the Dow, well, we were up on Friday, no surprise really, as the continue to move higher. Had a bit of a profit taking bit on Friday there, mid-afternoon, early evening. Then the buying came back in and they brought the market back, came back down towards the close. And on the overnight, the market has moved higher, you can see there, and this shown more so in the daily chart. We're heading back up. As I said in Friday's market alert, watch the 76% retracement area, crucial area for this market. If we break it, we're back off to the all-time high of 26,783. And finally, in Bitcoin, very, very tight trading range. And if you look at this on the TradingView platform and the ATR that they have there, this gives you the average range. You can see that we're now sitting at $218 average trading range daily bar, which is absolutely nothing there. So very, very quiet for this market at the moment. So that's the average over 14 days, but you can see the drop off in the actual trading range there. So we had an increase there, and now we're dropping off. It's quite a significant drop. So this is going to coil sideways until eventually it either breaks out to the upside or to the downside there, one way or the other. But very, very quiet there. Okay, that will do it for this one. Quick roundup of events and what's happening. Not a lot, but we're into October now, and October sort of midway. Seasonally is always an exciting time, so fingers crossed we'll get some sort of calamity that will bring and spring some volatility back into this market. Well, certainly October is notorious for any sort of financial crisis or crash or whatever. For those of you that traded for a long time will know that. So Let's wait and see. The emerging markets continue to fall apart. House prices have started to drop globally. And of course, from this month, we also see the Fed offloading 50 billion a month of the balance sheet. They've increased interest rates into this. So it's just a matter of waiting for the yield curve to invert as well. So yeah, interesting going forward. That's a certain fact. Right, that will do it for this one. If there's anything else to report, I will let you know. But other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.